In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage landing pages in HubSpot CRM. We'll start right from your HubSpot home screen. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the top navigation and open the content area. This is where HubSpot keeps all website-facing assets, and it's the fastest route to the tools you'll use for high-converting pages. Inside the content section, choose landing pages. This takes you to the central place where every landing page in your portal lives. Drafts, published pages, archived work, and anything your team is currently testing. Think of it as your control room for lead capture and campaign-specific pages. When you're ready to add something new, click Create a Landing Page. HubSpot will prompt you to start the setup process. If you've already built the page you need, there's no requirement to create another. You can skip creation and move right into management. But if you are creating one, you'll see options that guide you through layout choices and basic settings. Keep your goals in mind here. A clear headline, a concise value proposition, and a frictionless form are the foundations of strong performance. It's also helpful to name your page in a way that matches your campaign, so it's easy to find later. Now let's talk about management, because that's where you'll spend most of your time. Back on the landing pages screen, you'll see a list of all your pages. Each row quickly shows whether a page is published or still in draft, so you can confirm what's live at a glance. You'll also find performance indicators that highlight how each page is doing. This typically includes views, submissions, and conversion rates, giving you immediate context on what's working. If you're running experiments, you'll notice test results available alongside performance. These insights help you compare variations and keep improving your message, layout, or form fields without guessing. Use this space to spot trends. Pages with unusually high conversion rates often have a clear offer, a focused layout, and minimal distractions. A few practical tips as you manage. Keep an eye on pages that haven't been published to ensure nothing mission-critical gets stuck in draft. Review recently updated pages to confirm changes are reflected in the live version. And when you find a winning format, keep that structure consistent across similar campaigns to save time and maintain results. That's it. Navigate to content, open landing pages, create when needed, and use the management view to stay on top of status, performance, and tests.